Welcome to our channel. Today we how to open a high-yield savings at Ally Bank, online setup step by step clearly. To open a high-yield savings account at Ally Bank, start by visiting their website. Once on the home page, locate the banking section in the main menu. Click on the savings option to view available savings accounts. Select high-yield savings account to learn more about its features. Review the details, including interest rates and fees. When ready, click on the Open Account button. You will be directed to the account application page. Begin by providing your email address to create an online account. Next, set up a secure password to protect your account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Provide your social security number for identity verification purposes. Enter your date of birth to confirm your eligibility. Select your account preferences, including account type and currency. Add any additional account holders if applicable. Proceed to the funding section to link an existing bank account. Provide the necessary details for your external bank account. You may need to verify your linked account through a small test deposit. Review all entered information for accuracy before submission. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, submit your application. Await a confirmation email from Ally Bank regarding your application status. After approval, log into your new account to access your dashboard. Lastly, set up any additional features like automatic transfers or alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.